Welcome to the latest edition of Vaccines Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. First, Delonix Bioworks has received IND clearance for its engineered meningitis B vaccine, DX104, in both China and Australia. This marks an important step forward for Delonix in the development of next-gen bacterial vaccines. DX104 aims to address the global burden of invasive meningococcal disease caused by meningitis B, a major public health challenge. The clearance in these 2 countries is a significant advancement for the vaccine and strengthens Delonix's pipeline in the global vaccine landscape. Sanofi has completed the acquisition of Dynavax technologies. This deal enhances Sanofi's portfolio with the hepatitis B vaccine HEPLISAV-B and a shingles vaccine candidate. The acquisition will strengthen Sanofi's position in the adult immunization market and significantly expand its vaccine pipeline. This acquisition positions Sanofi for further expansion into emerging markets, broadening their reach and impact in global healthcare. Moderna continues to advance its global vaccine strategy, making regulatory progress in the European Union for its COVID-19 vaccine, mNEXSPIKE. The company is also ramping up its vaccine manufacturing initiatives in Mexico, which will help reduce reliance on international supply chains. Moderna's global expansion is a strategic move to increase its footprint in the global vaccine market and strengthen its position as a leader in the mRNA vaccine space. Aptar Pharma's nasal delivery technologies have become integral to CastleVax's Phase 2 clinical trials for CVAX-01, an intranasal COVID-19 vaccine. This collaboration highlights the growing interest in non-injection vaccine delivery systems, offering potentially improved immune responses and greater patient acceptance. Aptar's innovations could help drive the next generation of needle-free vaccine technologies, which could be key in enhancing global vaccine accessibility. GSK's RSV vaccine, AREXVY, has shown significant effectiveness in real-world studies, especially in reducing RSV-related hospitalizations and cardiovascular risks in older adults. This vaccine is demonstrating its potential to protect older populations from severe RSV, reducing complications such as heart attack, stroke, and severe flare-ups of chronic respiratory conditions like COPD and asthma. These findings suggest that AREXVY could become a critical tool in addressing RSV-related health risks among vulnerable populations. In the ongoing patent dispute between Moderna and Aptar Pharma, a federal judge recently dismissed 2 key defenses presented by Moderna over the lipid nanoparticle technology used in mRNA vaccines. This legal setback may complicate Moderna's defense in the case, with potentially significant financial and operational consequences for the company, depending on the outcome of the ongoing litigation. Moderna has also faced a setback in its efforts to bring its seasonal influenza vaccine, mRNA-1010, to market. The FDA issued a refusal to file letter for the vaccine, citing concerns over the clinical trial comparators used in its development. This decision will delay the approval of the vaccine and could affect Moderna's overall vaccine portfolio and timelines, as the company works to address the FDA's concerns. On a more positive note, Moderna received marketing authorization from the European Commission for its COVID-19 vaccine, mNEXSPIKE, across the EU. This approval marks a significant achievement for Moderna, further solidifying its position as a leading player in the European vaccine market. mNEXSPIKE is now the 3rd approved COVID-19 vaccine for Moderna in the EU, following the earlier approvals of SpikeVax and mRESVIA. Stay ahead in vaccines research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info